Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Snow Wolf. I'm a professional cold mess. Alright. And yay, face cam! Yeah. Sorry about the mess in my room. Okay. But today I am doing a live unboxing. Or should I say live unbagging, because it came in a bag. Um, but this is from my new sponsor, slash partnership from padded.ca. Okay, this is something I've been looking forward to for a long time. Okay. Um, Here, we can get it real quick. Okay, so this right here, if you know what paddocks is, okay, that's all you need to know. Okay, there is a link down below or in my about page after the stream. Okay, that you can use. All right, to if you want to go order one for yourself or see what they make. Okay, I've been told personally that there may be something extra in here. I don't know just yet. Okay, but yeah, it even says right here. Okay, do not use blades to open. Alright. I can't use knives on this. And it's taped. Really? Oh. Need to turn down the music a little bit. Okay. Actually, no. Let me just pause it. Alright. So, obviously, the other side has my personal info. Alright, so I'm going to try to keep that out of the shot as much as possible. Okay. Um. But yeah. Sorry if you hear my chair. Okay, I need to oil it and everything. All right, but without further ado, let's get to the unboxing experience. Oh, unbagging, I should say. Um, why did you put tape on this if I can't use knives? Oh, okay. Um, let's see here. Where do I open you? That's the biggest question. Use your teeth. Yeah. Yeah. No, that's not gonna work either. Um. I'm just trying to find the top part. I'm guessing right here, and there's some spots where I put my finger underneath it. Here we go. Okay. Now it said don't use knives on the bag. Okay. Where's my little pocket knife? Ah, here it is. Okay. Now it says don't use it on the bags. I can still use it on the tape. Okay. So, I'm going away from the bag. The reason why I'm doing that because it's retractable. So I don't know if that's part of the away from the TSA, oh, from the guidelines. So, ooh, sorry if that's hurting anybody's ears. Hey, Majura, how you doing? Again, I am truly sorry if that's hurting anybody. It's hurting mine. Mm. I know some people find that satisfying for some weird reason. Now, I am being extra careful with this. Okay? If you're going to use a knife, okay, always slice away from you, not toward you. Mm. Now, I'm going to say this. This is custom made. I'm doing good. Got my jester outfit in the mail. The problem is I don't want to take it off. Aw. Well, if you know what this is, okay, I'm probably not gonna get out of it either as soon as I set it up, which I can't do in this video because I gotta renovate my room for it. So it's not a new toy per se. Aw, who redeemed the two toy. Thank you for the two toy, Skippy. Said it's a VTuber thing, but still, thought counts. Skippy. Okay. Like I said, sorry again if ripping this hurts anybody's ears, because I see it's peeking my mic a little bit, so. At least it's not going in the red. My ears are... Open it? Yeah. I'm trying to open it. Oh. And I'm trying to keep my personal info away from the camera, even though I keep making that mistake. Oh, crap. Oh, wait. No, I can always download the video later. Because, PadX wanted a recording so they can see my actual reaction because they can't come to the stream. So... Okay, so now I got that open. This right here is hidden. So now I can hear it from this side now. Come on. Fine. Yeah, I know, so much tape. Well, I mean, you gotta think. Okay, it came from Canada. Hey, Preston, how you doing? Ooh, I see a little bit of black, which means this right here is where I can open it, or at least tear into it. Okay. So much tape, come on. The unboxing is pretty much, this is something that I wanted, okay, and it gives me the opportunity to give thanks to PadX and everything, okay, because they are a partner slash sponsorship for me now. I'm not getting anything out of it, okay, out of the kindness of my heart. I'm not asking for anything in return, or I just want to help support a ABDL slash baby fur, creator, okay, who makes physical items for people, well, for littles like us, okay, and not a lot of littles know about what they do, okay. So if you go to my about page or the bottom of the stream, there is a PadX logo that will take you to their direct website, okay, and you can see what they make and everything, and you can even custom request a custom one, which is what this is, by shooting them an email. All right, and they can work things out with you and everything. Best, I'm gonna say this now, best customer support I've ever seen. Okay, they might be a little delayed getting back to you, but all right, but it's better than, like, say, Amazon. Way better than Amazon, I can tell you that right now. So this is a way for me to say thank you, because I've only seen photos of this. Okay. From what they sent me. So I already know what it looks like and everything, but this gives an opportunity to see my genuine reaction of how I like it and everything. They are not paying me for this. Okay, I bought this with my own money, so there's there's still tape on it, but there's no tape around the opening, so I can go ahead and tear it off. Oh, by the way, Snow, I'm getting a VRC model made of Fizzy Pop. Do you mind helping me get it on VRC when it's finished? Yeah, I don't mind. Like, honestly, I don't mind if you also want it for a VRM for VTubing. I can do that too for you. Thought I got all the tape off. Damn it. Tape. Mm. Really? Get off of me. There we go. Ugh. By the way, I have not scripted this. That would be lovely. Thank you, little buddy. Anytime, Majora. They put so much tape. Then again, it is concealed shipping, so which is a plus. Oh, it's getting open. Let's be an extra layer. Come on. I swear, if there's more tape that's preventing me this. What's my persona? My persona is actually a I know original, but a white and blue wolf. Okay, I can probably put a image of it here. Just let me find it. Uh, let's see here. Trying to find an image that will cooperate with Twitch. Actually, you know what I can do? I'm just gonna do this. Put that there. Eh. That's my persona. Come on. I got one side. There's more tape. There's more tape! Okay. I'm not going to cut myself. Because I'm pointing away from me. Okay. That solves the tape issue. The bag's opened. My new Sona is basically Jester, Vaporman, Vaporeon, the Snow Nose. Let me buy is a Fennec can be. Yep. Okay. So there's one layer. Anything else? Okay. I see a second layer. So the first layer is pretty much concealed shipping. Okay. Round 2. At least I'm not seeing any tape. It's a plus. Can y'all hear me okay? Come on. Come on. I'm trying to hide it, okay, like right here, so I'm not accidentally peeking in. Alright. Okay. It's open. Okay. I want to reach my hand in. Okay. I feel it. Everybody ready for the big reveal? Waiting on a response from you all. Let's see it. Okay. Ooh, that is soft. Oh, you can see a little bit right here. Okay. I can't see it. I'm actually seeing through the stream. Okay. So. The. Oh. Oh, that is adorable. Damn tape on the ground. Oh, that is adorable. By the way, this is not a diaper. This is no. This is a jumper. Okay. If you're from the U.S. or anything like that, you might notice babies might be in like a little bouncer. Okay, with a little tray. That's what this is. It's a bouncer. Okay. Oh. Oh. It's so soft. Oh, it's so soft. More tape. Ugh. More tape. Why more tape? I never wanted to visit you more than... But here's the thing, Majora. I'm gonna have to renovate my room. I'm gonna have to put like 4x4s up on the wall, then the ceiling. Alright, just so I can hang from it in my room. But then again, I do have some industrial hooks outside. I just need a spring. So we could put it out on the porch. Oh, oh, it's open. Okay, before I take the main part out, okay, I do see a little thing here. Okay, we do see this. It says, "Thank you so much for your purchase. We hope you enjoy your new purchase for years to come. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us. Uh, and we will be happy to help you." By the way, the email that's on this paper you'll find on the website. So, um, so order paper, which I'm not going to disclose my information for. Okay, but I'm gonna say this. Okay, there is a when you order one, there is going to be a $50 deposit that they will send you. Okay, I mean, well, for me it was $50. Okay, USD. Okay, then they will contact you, stuff like that, and you will not pay the full amount until they finish with your order. Okay, or if you want, okay, you can go ahead and send them the full order via PayPal. So that's up to you, however you want to pay. By the way, I do digital artwork. I'm looking for commissions. Preston, I want to give you one warning right now. Okay. If you do digital artwork, that's perfectly fine. Okay. You, going to people's streams asking people for to commission you, okay, is a big no-no across the board, not just for me. Okay, because that gives away from the content. Okay, and that puts all eyes on you, where it shouldn't even be about the people who are asking for commissions in chat. It should be the person who is doing the stream. Okay, that's how you like. Even on YouTube, okay, you have all these big creators and everything. They don't go through, like say a live YouTube, okay, and people that ask for commissions and everything, they ban them right then and there. Okay, I'm gonna say this now. This is your one warning. You ask for commissions again or looking for commissions, okay, while I'm live, then you're banned. All right, because that's a big no-no across the board. All right, this is. I understand it's hard for anybody to get commissions or anything like that, right? Because I'm an artist myself. Okay, I've been open commissions for several years. Nobody's commissioned me. Okay, I understand how it is, but still. Okay. On that note, back to this. Okay. Let's see here. Anything back here? I feel something here. Oh, I know what this is. This. Ooh, that is heavy. It's heavy. This is your support bar. This is what you hang from. It's right. Feels like there's something. Try not to. Okay. Yeah. This is your support bar. You put your hooks on here, then you hang it from the ceiling. This is heavy. Paddocks, how do you get a hold of this? It feels like steel. Holy crap. By the way, these bouncers slash jumpers can support up to 1,200 pounds. So it doesn't matter if you're but on the heavy side, skinny side, I'm in between myself. I got a little bit of a gut. So it doesn't matter. You can get one even if you're heavy set. So yeah, that's heavy. Holy crap. I just want to set this aside, but this is what it looks like. Okay, I love Paw Patrol. What kind of art do I do? I normally do like tribal stuff. Okay, because in my actual art portfolio, like physical stuff before I started doing digital, I got a tribal Pikachu. I did a wolf angel and everything else. Hey Firefox, how you doing? Okay, so there's the support bar. Ooh, okay. Is there anything else in here before I take the main portion out, or is that just it? Okay, that's just it. So here's the main thing. Ooh, so there's nothing else in here. Okay. Ooh, I like that. I really do like that. So soft, and it's got a little bear on it too. A little rattle. I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, no, it's not picking up. Um, I'm doing all right. By the way, any names for the bear? Any names? 'Cause he's adorable. Ready? uh, maybe. I'll all the name suggestions. What I'll do is I'll Snowy Junior. I will go to Twitter, okay, and I'll create a poll for all the snow names that are suggested here in this stream. So, and that'll be open for 24 hours after the stream. Okay, so let me get rid of this bubble wrap. More tape. More tape. Why? Why more tape? Uh, the I don't know how to pronounce that fluff. Like I said, I'm with the knife. I'm going away from it. I'm being careful. Okay, there's that. It said there's a little sticker on it that says "Thank you for your order." Oh, it. I'm trying to get that in frame. Here, here we go. Okay, so this particular one, okay, the buckle. You can have a three-prong buckle, or you can have a little locking key. Okay, I chose a little locking key. There's the key. Let's see here. Ooh, it click. It's clicky. Oof. I think I just locked it. Yeah, I locked it. Okay. Ooh, and we got Velcro too. Oh, we got Velcro all the way around. Okay. Little Snow, Barry or Benny, Benry. Maybe. I don't want to lose this, so I'm probably gonna have this on my actual keys that I use for work. All right, just so I don't lose it again. Oh, not lose that. Yeah, because from what I'm seeing, I only see one key. Ah, okay, so let me put this back on. Oh, cover this. Let me put the Velcro back on. Okay, put this back in. Okay, just have that right there. So with this, all right, it's got three adjustable heights. They're pre-sewn. Okay, one's right there. You got one there. Okay, and you got one at the end. From what I'm judging here. Okay, but let me get the sport bar. Uh, yeah, let's do it this way. Okay, so the way they have it is it goes here. I guess then it goes in between because it's double supported, and it like that. Oh, hold on. Let me fix that. There we go. Yeah. Oh, wrong way. Yeah. Now I got a question. Does anybody want me to put it on? Because I will. Because all it is just a bouncer. There's nothing lewd about it. But like I said, I gotta renovate my room for it to be hung up in here. But yeah, I absolutely love this. Thank you, paddocks. I'll probably be wearing this even if I can't hang it up. I'll probably just be wearing it in my spare time. So yeah. But holy crap. I love the little bear. But without further ado, everybody, okay, thank you, Pat X, all right, for the order. Oh, for this, okay. Um, but yeah, without further ado, I'll be ending my stream here. Like I said, this is just gonna be a short stream of an unboxing. I got the unbox, okay. Um, so yeah, I absolutely love this. I really do. Okay. But yeah, without further ado, I will be ending my stream here. Is there anybody I can raid? Staccato. Ooh, I haven't rated Staccato in a long time. Because they just recently started to stream again. Alright. But without further ado, please join my Twitter and Discord to get notified when I go live. Or if my plans change, they normally do. Today is Friday, which I normally don't stream on Fridays. Tomorrow is Saturday. I'll try to stream tomorrow, maybe. Alright. About 5 p.m. EST. Okay. Yeah, to get an art scammer in this stream. So I gave them a warning. Okay. So they shouldn't do it again. If they do, they are permanently banned from the stream from my channel. Okay. But yeah. Um but yeah, without further ado, comment bouncer just like that in staccato stream. Okay. Spam it as much as you want. Okay. Alright, trying to confuse them. But yeah, without further ado, alright, I'll see y'all in the next stream. Bye.
You're purple.
With a black arm of God.
Oh, Snow! Hey, thank you for the raid. Hi. You were doing a live unboxing of.
Vox signal negligible.
That sounds interesting.
Most likely. Do not worry. When the Hive Tyrant is
Somebody do the thing. My hands are kind of full right now. The Lictor. Tactical.
Caught me in the middle of a hydrate. Thank you for the head pats, Sarge.
Get parried, nerd.
Suck it. Tall cat. That tall cat or tall mouse? Looks like a mouse tail. I don't know. Is that Fortnite? If it's Fortnite,
Are you talking about the mouse girl?
I'm looking at. I'm talking about Snow's shout out. I think he's playing the Fortnite.
resolve is a bastion in these dark times. There is no pain.
Oh, execution where you just slowly fall forward and crush them. Oh, that would be fun. That would be funny. Hi, Lilac.
Fall, trust fall, but without the trust.
Yeah. Distrust fall. Betrayal fall. Or no, it would be suspicion fall. Sus fall. There's a trust fall and a sus fall. Armory data, yay.
Armory data is global. It goes to everyone.
Hey, give me the armory data now or I'll freaking kick
Did you
you.
do that? Wrong.
Obtaining armaments.
Sims.
Anybody else need the stims?
Nah, I'm packed out.
Alright, I'm taking
Right.
Oh.
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
I didn't see your like for some reason it wasn't showing me your health. And I was like, oh, I guess you must be full, so I'll take that to cap myself off.
I mean, you did ask.
No pokey. No poke the cheeks.
Oh.
Yeah, on my stream people can poke my cheeks.
Fire at will.
I'm good at doing that. I've been playing Wukong. I'm good at dodging bosses.
Oh no, leave me alone. Ah! Hip, hip.
Somebody's on
Oh shit, he came after me. I thought he was attacking you. I thought his attention was on you, and then all of a sudden he just changes direction and he comes after me again.
I didn't need to do that. I was there. Thought. Close. I'm gonna try and draw his attention. Oh, that's not you. Wrong enemy. I need the warrior off me.
No.
Where are you going? Get back here! I'm your opponent.
Stings administered.
Why are you